Welcome to day 3 of the Vanbuild. I had a good start to the day, got up fresh, made a coffee, even did some yoga. Realised that the bins were due to be emptied today, so I had to rush out to catch the refuse collector. And when I came back in, bent down to get dressed and felt a twinge in my side. So I managed to get all the way through the yoga, no problems, and bending down to collect this base layer from a bottom drawer, and I felt a twinge. Alright, what I'm doing now is trying to remove these cargo rings, which are fixed to the floor with these nuts, torque nuts. So tried a couple down the bottom of the van and the threads are just shredding, which means it's spinning and not coming up. Managed to get this one. I think one issue is the size of the bit is slightly small. T40. I think I need a T45. Alright, I'm going to try another technique with the bolts that are in the centre there. A little bit less heavy duty. The ring should be able to get under with this set of pliers and pull it through. So here goes. Try and raise it a little bit up so that I can get the pliers in a bit easier. Success. Brute force is sometimes the best way to go. God damn. Alright. 1, 2, 3 from the outside, which I don't think will be as easy. Right, these bolts are going to be the death of me. So I've managed to get out the majority. You can see here, that's the cargo ring completely removed and the bolt. They come off really well with a T45 hex bit. This one here I've tried to drill. You can see all the shards of metal, but I've not managed to really penetrate the head so that it comes off. What have you got to say, Pops?
Oh, is that a video?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, I can't say anything. I'm having an effing trouble getting this bolt out here. And it's not behaving itself, it's just about to get a big thump.
Well, thump away.
Steamed up glasses doesn't help. That's the only way to do it, David.
Batter it as hard as you can.
No, big drill at the finish up there, hit it and it just snaps the bolt. There the bolt's still in, but you don't need it.
So just one thing to point out, underneath the flooring there's quite heavy duty velcro strips just under here. I'm just going to have to prise this up. There you go. You can see the velcro and what's underneath the floor. A lot of dirt by the looks of it. Right, day 2, almost finished. So at the start of the day I planned to remove the plywood from the side door, which I've done, so we can score that. design layouts. So I've thought about the bed situation, which I described earlier. So score that out. Still got the kitchen and bathroom to sort, but we'll do that later. And eventually lifting the floor, which was a arduous task, wasn't it, Dad?
Well, it wasn't easy, David, I must admit.
And
If I hadn't been here, I would probably have been laughing at you, thinking, what is he up to? But no, I'll give you your due. It was quite difficult.
now I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I'm going to leave the clean up to Dad. I'll just do Dad's name there.
Yeah.
Clean the van.
You know Dad's laughing there, isn't you? You know the answer to that one.
And then I'll come out tomorrow morning, and once it's spick and span, I'll have the red oxide put down and the hammerite, and then that's it. Day 3 done.
Sounds good, David.
Right, signing off. Alright, so what I'm doing here is scrubbing down all the grime and then doing a bit of skating with the cloths using my feet, which is a lot easier than by hand. So that's a little tip for you. Now I've just put down some general purpose kitchen bathroom cleaner, and I'm going to get into all the nooks and crannies and try and get this place spotless. Then I'll move on to the walls. They're quite clean, so shouldn't take too long. And then maybe another once over with the skating technique, and hopefully then it'll be ready to start the rust prevention. And one other must-have piece of equipment is pink marigolds.